Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. So for today's video, we're diving into a book review of tada! So Hold You Accountable by Ella Ringley. So this book is my currently favorite story. So for today's video, we're doing a review for this book. So we will talk about the background of the author, the context of the book, and why I recommend it, and so on. So, Hold You Accountable is written by Ella Ringley, a Filipino author known for capturing deep emotion and real-life struggles in her stories. So, instead of focusing on the usual romantic tropes, she creates narratives that highlight personal growth, insecurities, and the emotional burdens we carry. So, especially in environments that demand perfection. This book gained a lot of attention, especially among students like me and young adults, because of its realistic portrays the struggles of academic pressure, the fear of failure, and how these things affect one mental health and emotional being. So, if you if you will buy the physical book, you can actually see more about the author here and the last page of the book. So this story follows characters who are deeply affected by the pressure to succeed academically. So their self-worth becomes tied to their grades, achievements, and how others perceive them or how other people see them. So instead of feeling motivated of that, they develop insecurities, self-doubt, and an overwhelming fear of failure. So what I love about this book is that it doesn't sugarcoat the reality of being a student in a highly competitive environment. It shows how academic pressure can make people question their value, compare themselves to others, and even damage their mental health along the way. So, this story challenges the idea that success is everything and highlights the importance of self-acceptance. It's not just about working hard, it's about learning how to handle your failure, finding balance, and realizing that our worth isn't just based on our achievements. Now for the context, this book is incredibly relevant, especially in today's world where the academic excellence is often treated as the only measure of success. So many students, especially in the Philippines, feel pressure to meet high expectations, whether from their parents, teachers, or society. So, in Filipino culture, education is seen as the key for a better future, right? So, which is why many students push themselves to the limit. But what happens when that pressure turns into self-doubt and burnout? So, this book, Hold You Accountable, explores these struggles in a way that feels real and relatable as a student. So it also connects to 21st century themes like mental health awareness and the dangers of comparison culture. So with social media making it even easier to compare ourselves to others, many people feel like they are not good enough. So this book serves as a reminder that it's okay to struggle, that failure is part of growth, remember. So, in that, we are more than just our academic achievements. Would I recommend Hold You Accountable? Absolutely. So, this book isn't just for a student, it is open for everyone who has ever felt pressured to be perfect. Also, it's a must read if you have ever struggled with self-doubt, burnout, or the fear of not being enough. So, it's a beautiful written, eye-opening story that reminds us to be kinder to ourselves. So, if you are looking for a book that speaks to the reality of academic pressure and personal insecurities, this one is definitely worth reading. So, this book, if you are more into physical book, then you can buy this through online shopping app, or you can find this in Fully Book or National Bookstore. So, but if you want, but you can also just read this through Wattpad app, so ebook. And so that's it for today's book review. So, have you ever read Hold You Accountable? If so, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Also, if you have book recommendation, just drop them below. I'd love to check them out soon. So, bye-bye!